Have you ever noticed how foods become health trends overnight while others sit quietly on grocery shelves for decades? Their benefits largely overlooked? Today, I want to talk about one such overlooked food, the chayote squash. What if I told you that a glass of juice from this incredible vegetable can help you with weight loss and control diabetes? That's right. Today, we're talking about the 9 impressive health benefits of chayote squash. In just a few minutes, you'll learn how chayote can transform your health. You won't believe the health benefits packed in this overlooked superfood. Watch till the end as we'll share with you a homemade, powerful chayote juice for managing your diabetes. Chayote is a pale green, pear-shaped squash originally from Mexico. It is botanically a fruit due to its large central seed, though it's commonly used as a vegetable in cooking. As a member of the Cucurbitaceae family alongside cucumbers and squashes, chayote offers a mild, crisp texture when eaten raw. When cooked, its flavor and texture closely resemble zucchini. The entire plant is edible, from the fruit to the leaves, shoots, and even the roots. What makes chayote interesting isn't miracle cures, but rather its nutritional profile and versatility. Let's look at what science tells us about its actual benefits. 1. May promote diabetes management. Chayote squash is low in total carbohydrates and a significant amount of both soluble and insoluble fiber, potentially aiding in the regulation of blood glucose levels. Soluble fiber decelerates digestion and carbohydrate absorption, hence diminishing your postprandial blood sugar response. Insoluble fiber enhances insulin sensitivity and maintains intestinal health. Insulin resistance occurs when cells exhibit diminished responsiveness to insulin, the hormone responsible for regulating blood glucose levels. This results in elevated blood glucose levels over time and may ultimately lead to diabetes. Studies indicate that certain phytochemicals in chayote may enhance insulin sensitivity, diminishing the activity of specific enzymes associated with inadequate blood sugar regulation and type 2 diabetes. 2. Kidney health support. Kidney health depends heavily on proper hydration and balanced mineral intake. Chayote excels in both areas. Its high water content, over 90%, helps maintain the fluid balance necessary for optimal kidney function. The potassium in chayote supports the kidney's filtering capabilities, helping them efficiently remove waste products from the bloodstream. This natural diuretic quality may help prevent kidney stones by flushing the urinary system. Regular consumption of foods like chayote that support kidney function can be particularly beneficial for those at risk of developing kidney issues or who have existing kidney concerns. 3. Blood pressure regulation. Chayote's potassium content may help counterbalance sodium's effects on blood pressure. The squash is also naturally low in sodium, making it a good choice for those monitoring their blood pressure. Studies have identified phytochemicals in chayote that improve blood flow and reduce blood pressure levels. This aligns with traditional Mexican medicinal uses of the plant for heart health. 4. Liver support. Chayote contains antioxidants like vitamin C, flavonoids, and quercetin that help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress on the liver. The liver is essential for detoxifying blood and regulating insulin levels. Host tissue may accumulate around the liver, potentially resulting in hepatic injury and impairing its functionality. Some research suggests compounds in chayote may help protect against fat buildup in the liver, potentially helping with conditions like fatty liver disease. It might also support metabolism and help process fats. 5. Heart health benefits. Consuming chayote squash may improve several risk factors associated with heart disease, such as hypertension, elevated cholesterol levels, and insufficient blood circulation. A 2021 study indicates that chayote is abundant in antioxidants that promote cardiovascular health, including flavonoids that may inhibit atherosclerosis and hydroalcoholic extracts that could lower blood pressure. Nevertheless, additional human research are required to corroborate these findings. Myrisin, a significant antioxidant present in chayote squash, has exhibited the capacity to reduce cholesterol in specific animal experiments. 6. Weight management. For those struggling with weight management, chayote offers several advantages. Despite being filling, it's remarkably low in calories, just about 39 calories per medium-sized fruit. Its high fiber content promotes satiety, helping you feel fuller longer after meals. The water content further contributes to this feeling of fullness without adding calories. Perhaps most importantly, chayote substitutes for higher calorie ingredients in many recipes, allowing for equally satisfying meals with fewer calories overall. Despite being low in calories, about 39 per medium chayote, this squash provides meaningful nutrition. It's an excellent source of vitamin C, folate, and fiber. plus modest amounts of vitamins K and B6, manganese, copper, and zinc. This makes chayote an efficient food, offering substantial nutrition for relatively few calories, which can help with weight management efforts. 7. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chayote may help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. These effects could potentially contribute to reduced risk of chronic diseases and slower cellular aging. A preliminary study published in the journal Antioxidants suggests that dried chayote might have anti-inflammatory benefits for adults with metabolic syndrome, a risk factor for type 2 diabetes. However, since the study was small, further research is necessary to explore chayote's potential for reducing inflammation and managing blood sugar levels. 8. Digestive health. The fiber content in chayote, about 3 grams per medium-sized squash, supports digestive health. Research indicates that chayote and its roots are excellent sources of quality starch and fiber. Fiber is a crucial nutrient for digestive health. Fiber helps prevent constipation and contributes to a healthy gut microbiome. For people with digestive issues, chayote's mild flavor and easy digestibility make it a gentle addition to the diet. Before we continue, I've got some exciting news to share. If you enjoy our content and want access to exclusive benefits, become a channel member. As a member, you will unlock some amazing perks like early access to new videos, priority replies to your comments, members-only shorts, polls, quizzes, and special emojis and loyalty badges just for you. Just click the join button and be part of this community that values health and well-being. Your support helps us keep bringing high-quality content for you. 9. Pregnancy support. One notable benefit of chayote is its folate content. Folate, vitamin B9, is crucial during pregnancy for proper development of the baby's brain and spinal cord. Just one chayote provides about 47% of the recommended daily intake of folate. How to add chayote into your diet. Instead of viewing chayote as a miracle food, consider it a versatile, nutritious addition to a varied diet. Its mild flavor makes it adaptable to many dishes, from soups to stir-fries, salads, and even juices. You might enjoy it raw, sliced into salads like cucumber, steamed or boiled as a simple side dish, sauteed with other vegetables, added to soups and stews, juiced with lemon for a refreshing drink. The greatest value of chayote may be in what it replaces in your diet rather than magical properties. When you choose chayote instead of higher-calorie, lower-nutrient foods, you're making a small decision that, repeated consistently, contributes to better health. Chayote juice recipe for blood sugar management. While no single food or drink can instantly lower blood sugar, chayote juice can be a helpful addition to a diabetes management plan when consumed as part of a balanced diet. Here's a simple recipe for chayote juice that incorporates ingredients with potential blood sugar benefits. Ingredients: 1 medium chayote squash, 1 lemon, 1 cucumber, optional, 1 2-inch ginger, 1 4 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 cup water, ice optional. Instructions: wash chayote, peeling optional, and remove seed. Chop chayote and cucumber, if using. Peel and slice ginger. Juice lemon. Blend all ingredients with water. Strain if desired. Serve with ice, optional. Tips: consider drinking before meals. Keep some pulp for added fiber. Monitor your blood sugar when trying new foods. Not a replacement for medication or medical advice. Consult your healthcare provider before making dietary changes. Chayote is generally safe for most people to enjoy, but some individuals may have an allergy to it. If you are allergic to chayote, please make sure to avoid eating chayote and any products that contain it. What makes chayote valuable isn't magical properties, but its practical nutritional profile. It's affordable, versatile in cooking, and accessible in many grocery stores. This aligns with what we consistently discover about health. The most effective approaches aren't found in dramatic quick fixes, but in sensible, sustainable choices made regularly. If you're looking to support your health naturally, consider adding this unassuming squash to your shopping list. Have you ever tried chayote? How did you consume it? Share your experiences in the comment below. If you found this video helpful, please type yes in the comments box below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest content. Before you go, check out these 2 videos we selected especially for you. Thanks for watching.